This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the firearm safe. Do not skip this. You verify it is unloaded, magazine removed, and chamber checked visually and physically. Then engage any safety features. Once done, move the rifle to a stable, well-lit workspace away from others. Make sure to wear eye protection and gloves and have the manufacturer manual or model schematic on hand. If you are unsure about legal requirements or fundamentals, contact a licensed gunsmith or local authority before proceeding further. Once the rifle is safe and you have the manual, slow down and document everything. Photograph the bolt assembly and neighboring components from multiple angles. These images are invaluable later. Make a parts list using the schematic and highlight any items you think may need cleaning or replacement. If something is worn, order only OEM parts and the precise tools specified by the manufacturer. If you lack confidence with mechanical diagnosis, make an appointment with a certified armorer rather than attempting invasive work. For final steps, prioritize expert verification. Have a qualified armorer complete reassembly or conduct a function check according to the manufacturer's procedure. Once reassembled, perform function checks only as allowed by law and with supervision if possible. Do not perform live fire checks without proper range safety. Make sure the firearm is stored securely and registered if required. If at any point a component binds, is deformed, or you lack a correct tool, stop immediately and seek professional service. Forcing parts risks injury and legal consequences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.